Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a normal website, I'll leave that site down below also. They'll be both safe to click. No worries about viruses or nothing. All you gotta do, check them out. Click the link down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Oh, baby. Here we go. We shall see what's inside here. Thank you guys for sending me this for review. Whatever this is. Ooh. There we go. Oh, baby. 6K MAGABOX MG4 Max. Oh, baby. 4 gig RAM, 128 gigabyte ROM, dual band antenna, Android 12. So you guys should know what these are. Good stuff in this box. This is where the magic happens. You won't be bored anymore. This has everything. You run all your apps that you have already, like Disney and all that, and bonuses stuff, if you know what I mean. So very simple to hook up and all that good stuff. Definitely excited for this one. Mega, not mega as in Trumpy, just MAGABOX. Maybe you should sell those. Might make some money. Manual, got that. Don't need it. It's easy peasy setup. Here we go. So we got all the goodies here. We got some HDMI cables in here. That's always a good thing. Always use HDMI cables. See, HDMI. We got a nice remote control. NAN. You get voice activated. See, Prime Video, Disney, Netflix. So they got all the main ones. Batteries, AAA. Not Triple H, but Triple 8 or AAA. And we got a power adapter. Basic kind. So yeah, these are nice ones to get. Really great picture quality for movie nights, sports, you name it, they got it all. Everything fully loaded. Android, USB, restore, TF card. Here's the bottom. Nice dual band. Mega. And there we go. HDMI, LAN, DC, AV, IR, SPDIF. The spiffer. Nice shiny blue metallic. Got that bling to it. Fully LED display. I gotta wait for something. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up now. And I've downloaded the MAGAVOD and the Mega Live. If you guys know what that means, definitely download those. Highly recommend those. And you got other choices in the App Store. And also your Disney Plus, you could use your account, kind of like a main hub. And then I'll show you how to download the replay. And that replay is everything, you know. So, down here, click on it. It's going to download pretty fast. It all depends on your internet connection. If you got a good one, you should be good to go. Then you back out. And there we go. See, basic setup. Display, got time, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. That's why I'm using my Wi-Fi. So, and then you got your settings down here. You can always delete the apps, clear memory, and device info, and all that. And you're gonna want pick one of these. I can't do it live right now because of copyright. You never know what might pop up, but I can show you this really quick. But yeah, this has everything you need. You will not be bored. And you can hook up wireless keyboards to it and all that good stuff. And have your other apps running it also. So everything's brand new. The newest model. We got all these choices right here. Civil War. Newest. It's gonna take a second. Movies. Go down here. And you could, scroll through hours and hours of entertainment. So many cult classics that I forgot about that I might check out tonight. But yeah, this is amazing, guys. So definitely check them out. MAGABOX. And it updates pretty fast. So keep checking back for, other releases and stuff like that. So, okay, back out again. And then replay. Hopefully it's not live. Allow. Let me put you guys down for a second just in case some kind of might pop up. But yeah, definitely you can have your Bluetooth for speakers and everything else running it. Okay, this says replays of previous 5 days or 10 days. So in case you missed something, you can always go back and watch it on that app. But yeah, this has everything you need. So really good stuff, guys. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check it out. Great for Father's Day. This will ship fast, so you got time to shop. And definitely he'll be happy with this because it has all this packages that we watch, and on many more things also. So, and let's go to the App Store, and then it takes a second to load up. No, that's me. So that's, hold on. Yep, there we go. Forgot to update. So like I said, there's all those apps right there and many others. You got the Tubi, the Sling, so all in one hub. They got Max, Hulu, whatever that one is. And pretty much NBA, NFL, NHL, Netflix. We just saw it pass by, Disney Plus. So really good stuff, guys. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.